Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today we're going to make the name Asha with a little angel. So we're going to start with the A. This is 20 gauge wire. I'm using the non-tarnished brass wire by Beadalon. It's a really good wire to do the names because it's fairly stiff and it holds its shape quite well, so that's nice. So you can even make pins with this wire and just sharpen the end, which is great. I'll link up below another video where I did a pin. So we want the A and then we want a Y. So we're going to come up here and do the Y. And so for the Y, it's basically kind of a U. And then we'll get our larger pliers to do the U part. And then we're going to bring it down to do the tail of the Y. So adjust it as you need. You can, wiggle it back and forth if you have to. And we'll bring this back down. Just down like that. And then we're going to do the tail of the Y. Flatten that out a little bit. And then bring that straight across. Here, I'm not making it too big. And then for the S, we're going to do a kind of a cursive S. So you're going to bring it up here and down here. And I'll link up below. I have two videos, one with the uppercase letters and one with the lowercase. So you can see how I do all the letters. And there's other lettering styles. If you want to check Google for other calligraphy styles, there's you can go more loosely if you like. My letters tend to be a little bit stiff. Some of the larger pieces I make are a little more loose. They're actually a lot looser when you don't use tools, but with such a small design, you pretty well have to use the tools to get the details. So that's the H. We're going to bring this back up, and then you need the little hump of the H. So we're going to take that, bring that there, and then bring it back across. And then we just need the A. So I flip back and forth for my different pliers. These are slightly larger, so I like these for like the A's, the O's, the D's, things like that. So we're going to bring the circle of the A, bring that to the back, and then over to the front. So because I want a little line across the A, so that's why I bring it back over to the front. So we're going to just go here, and then I'm going to show you how the name looks. This one I might have to make this a little bit longer just so it's even. So what I want to do to finish the A is I just want to leave it like at an end there, but I don't want this end to be sharp. So I just did a little loop that was to the back, and I'm just going to close it up like that. So that's going to be like not even really showing there. You can even make it smaller if you want. And then for the A, we can do the same thing here. And actually for the A, what I'm going to want to do is hang the little angel down there, or I might hang it from here. So maybe I'll just finish it the same way. I'm just going to finish it exactly how we finished the first A. We're just going to go like that and give it a little clip here. And then from there, we're going to form the angel. So I have different ways of doing these things. Sometimes I would put the little icon at the end. Other times I hang it down. So this time I'm actually going to hang it down to get more of my wire. So here's the 20 gauge wire again. And we're just going to get this here. And I want to make it as simple as possible. So we're just going to take the wire and make a little tiny angel. So we're just going to bring this down. You can just do like sort of the little skirt of the angel. If you want it more fancy, you can definitely like take this and maybe just do a little rippled skirt like this. We could go up and down and up and down. I have some other little designs for angels in my videos. Some are with like little beads and stuff, so I could you could definitely try some different designs as well. So that could be like the little angel skirt. And then for the, if you want to do the head first, and then we'll add it, we'll finish that after. So we're going to bend this to the left, and first we're going to do like the the little head. So we're just going to bring this around here. And then to keep the halo quite simple, I'm just going to go around here. And it's almost going to look like a bit of a infinity sign. So we're just going to bring this here, bring that way. And it becomes sort of like a little halo. It's tricky to do these things small, but it's kind of cute. We're just going to bring it around like that. And or if you had a little angel charm, you could definitely hang that off the name. That would be super cute as well. Just a little angel charms. We're just going to do that like that. And then bring this here, and you'll see why. So I'm going to take this one and start to wind it around here. 1, 2, 3, and then around that little intersection there. Bring that here and then bend that across. And there we have what's going to look like a little angel. And then we could just do little circles for the arms here, or for the hands. So we're just going to bring that, turn it a bit, and bring that one around. Okay, I'm going to clip that. This is very stylized. It's super cute. But you could definitely put like a little angel charm or something. That would be cute too. So bring that here. Bring that one around. Cool. And give that a little clip. Bend that here. Flatten it out so it's not scratchy. There we go. So that's super cute. The little angel, you can, you know, kind of tighten up your springs if you have to. There's the little angel, and then we can figure out where we want to hang it, because it can be hung just, I was going to say at the end, but I'm thinking under the A might be cuter. So for that, you want to get your wire again and then make a little jump ring to hang it down. Or if you have already jump rings the same color, go for it. So I just use my pliers and give it a little plush cut on either side. The best way to make jump rings is actually with a little saw, and you just cut it like really flat with the saw. But if you don't have one, you can just use your cutters, and sometimes you can even file the ends a little bit too, so they're not sharp and so they're nice and smooth. So just let's hang her underneath the A. We're going to stick it in her halo and close that up. So we're just going to close it up, and there we have Asha with a little angel hanging down. And for the necklace, you can always like put a jump ring here and a jump ring here to hang it on a necklace. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club on Facebook. I'll link it up below. And if you'd like to check out my wire work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to join the mailing list, I'll send you my free Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.